Janome.
Hi, I'm Kelly McKenzie with Janome America. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of the accessories that you can add to any 3 of our frames. It is our hand wheel kits that we sell. This is what it looks like in a box, and this is what it looks like installed on one of our frames. It's very heavy duty, a great accessory to add. The purpose of this hand wheel is to help assist when you're advancing your quilt so that everything is more accurate when you go to line up for your next row of quilting. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The extra hand wheel kit is attached to your quilt top bar. This is so that it better assists you with advancing your quilt. What I'm going to do is take the latch off my quilt top bar, and I'm going to use that hand wheel to allow my quilt to start to sag on my frame. Of course, you're doing this after you've done 1 row of quilting and you're ready to do the 2nd row of quilting. Then I'm going to use my original hand wheels to start advancing my quilt top. Always giving my quilt a sag until I have it where it needs to be to quilt my 2nd row of quilting. So as you can see, having the extra hand wheel attached to your frame helps assist with advancing the quilt so that there is no excess tension on one side versus the other of your frame, keeping everything evenly smooth and rolling. As you can see, this hand wheel kit is a great accessory to add to your frame. So visit your local Janome dealer today to go and purchase yours.